Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Cashflow Lab, where I turn AI tools into serious cash. I'm sharing my exact step-by-step process for making $50,000 in just 30 days using AI. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or scale your income, this video will show you how to do it. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm dropping new videos every week to help you crush your income goals with AI. Now let's jump into the story. It all started with tool hash 1, ChatGPT. I used ChatGPT to create high-quality content for my blog and social media. From blog posts to email campaigns, ChatGPT saved me hours of work and helped me attract a massive audience. In just 10 days, my blog traffic tripled, and I started earning through ads and affiliate marketing. Next, I leveraged tool hash 2, Jasper AI, to write high-converting sales copy. I used Jasper to create sales pages, email sequences, and social media ads for my digital products. The result? A 200% increase in sales within 2 weeks. Jasper's ability to generate persuasive copy was a game changer for my business. Then, I used tool hash 3, Pictory, to turn my blog posts into videos. I uploaded these videos to YouTube and social media, which brought in even more traffic and revenue. Pictory's AI-powered video creation made it easy to produce professional content without any editing skills. To boost my brand, I used tool hash 4, Canva AI, to design stunning graphics. From social media posts to YouTube thumbnails, Canva's AI features helped me create eye-catching visuals that drove engagement and sales. Finally, I automated everything with tool hash 5, Zapier. Zapier connected my apps and handled repetitive tasks, freeing up my time to focus on growing my business. With automation, I was able to scale my side hustle without burning out. Now let's jump into some case studies. Meet Sarah, a freelance copywriter who used ChatGPT to triple her income in just 30 days. Sarah started by using ChatGPT to generate blog posts, email campaigns, and social media content for her clients. By automating her writing process, she was able to take on 3 times as many clients and increase her monthly earnings from $5,000 to $15,000. Her secret? Leveraging AI to save time and deliver high-quality work faster. Next up is Mike, an e-commerce entrepreneur who used Jasper AI to boost his sales by 200%. Mike used Jasper to create high-converting product descriptions, email sequences, and ad copy for his online store. Within 30 days, his revenue jumped from $10,000 to $30,000. Mike's success shows how AI can transform your marketing and drive massive results. Then there's Emily, a YouTube content creator who used Pictory to grow her channel and earn $50,000 in a month. Emily turned her blog posts into engaging videos using Pictory's AI-powered video creation tools. By uploading these videos to YouTube, she tripled her ad revenue and landed lucrative sponsorships. Emily's story proves that AI can help you scale your content and income effortlessly. Finally, meet Alex, a digital product creator who used Canva AI to design and sell online courses. Alex created stunning course materials, social media graphics, and sales pages using Canva's AI tools. In just 30 days, he made $50,000 by selling his courses to a global audience. Alex's success highlights the power of AI in creating and marketing digital products. So there you have it, the exact tools and strategies I used to make $50,000 in 30 days using AI. If you're ready to start your own AI-powered side hustle, check out the links in the description for the tools I mentioned. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, at AI Cashflow Lab, I'm all about turning AI into cash flow. See you next time.